Cycle of fourth on the key of A. Okay, so left hand side we have F, A, B, and E. Then right hand side we are slurring from from the B with the E on top. Then we are slurring from C to C sharp. So this melody line, this is C, B, and D. Then this is A and C sharp. So over the 6, left hand side, this is E, A flat, A, and C sharp. Then right hand side we have F sharp and B. Then we are slurring from G to A flat, like so. So next chord, this is E tritone, E and B flats. Right hand side we have D major triad, D, F sharp, and A. Rootless voice. Okay. Then next chord we have B as the rootless voicing. Then left hand side, this is E flat and A. Right hand side we have C sharp major triad, which is just C sharp, F, and A flat. Over the 5, left hand side we have D, F sharp, G, and E. Then right hand side we have E and A. Then we are slurring from F to F sharp. Let me take it slow one more time. Then to the 1. Left hand side we have C sharp, G, and B. Then right hand side passing chord. So this is E flat, A flat, and C. Then the passing chord, the breakdown for the slow. This is E. Then we are slurring from B to C and ending it on C sharp. Then flip it back. So we are flipping it back. This is from C to B and to A. Then we'll come to the 4. Left hand chord we have D, A, and F sharp. Then right hand side I have C sharp, E, and A. Then the slow is coming to F sharp. Then with this arpeggio to end it, F sharp on the left, right hand side, just your A major triad, but adding the B to it. So sorry guys.